Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm coming back again with another trading example which I did this morning. I'm gonna keep showing and showing all the time just because everybody needs to know this type of trading, and it's very actually simple and very easy basically to spot all those patterns. So everything comes back to the probability, yeah? So once the price action gets to the zone, it doesn't really matter which zone, this zone, it can do only two things. Either it's gonna break and retest, either it's gonna bounce and go back up. Yeah. So the same stuff happened here. Yeah. I'm always waiting like to fake above, and then if once the price actually comes to this area, yeah, it can do two things. Either it's going back up, either it's going down, yeah. So basically what we can see here, yeah, is kind of like break, but I don't know how you've seen this price action here, but I wouldn't count this as a break, but even it does, yeah. You could grab like here, you could grab here a trade and just take those highs, and it still is 1 to 2, yeah. But where I was expecting like as a as a daily bias, I was expecting to go down just due to the fact that looking Asia, what price action it was like very strong uptrend. So basically what I was waiting for, I was waiting to fake above on the London and then come back into the zone, retest and go down, yeah. Everybody knows that I'm trading this way. So look guys what happens here. It was the price action, yeah, and then very massive price action to the downside. Obviously broke this structure, this structure, this structure, all those structures, even this one, everything was broke down. So obviously this is more likely sounds like a reversal pattern, yeah. So what we're just gonna do first, yeah, we can see here guys the break of this one and the break of this structure, yeah. And the way how I'm seeing this actually structure is literally based on our Asia high zone. So what I was waiting on, I was waiting just to come back to retest, yeah. So what actually happened, and I like those type of retests. I mean, like nice move uptrend, you know. It wasn't like back up, back down, or something like that, but it was like smoothly in waves. You see how it, that means the price action is good. And then when it gets here, yeah, you see, big candle, very small candle, and then bearish engulfing. So what I did, I just enter right here, put my stop loss above this zone, and just targeting this low. Very simple guys, 265 RR is very simple trading strategy. It's nothing it's nothing insane. When I entered the trade, yeah, and when I saw literally broke this structure also, then I was even more confident that the trade will gonna work. Because sometimes it can happen, comes here, provides you like with the signal, you enter the trade, but then it doesn't even gets to break of structure, yeah, and goes back up. And when it goes back up, yeah, close to the zone, most likely that does only one hold and just it's just broke. It was gonna break and hit your stop loss. So that's actually the thing where I was when I saw even this broker structure, small broker structure, I was more confident to hold this trade to the end, and that's what it did. And when I saw this breaker structure, most likely I knew we were gonna come to this area because broke below EMAs went crossover to the downside, and you see guys how everything is lined up, like break, retest, you know, break a structure, then EMAs, everything aligns on the way, and you can hold it, and it gives me more and more confidence to hold this trade. So I just hold this trade until here, and I just close it with a TP. But you could literally, you know how I trade, you could throw here a line, you can take here a partial, 50%, and then you're just looking like to the left side, and you will see the next support is right here. So you could literally hold it until here, something like that, and to make 4 hour. It's pretty damn nice. It's pretty damn nice. I like it. So yeah, guys, that's kind of a small breakdown on GJ trade, which I took today in the morning, and obviously I took the full take profit around here, and I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. But anyway, guys, everybody trades how they want. I just literally sharing my experience, my knowledge, and hopefully, guys, you like it, and you can just literally support me by subscribing and like the video. Thank you so much, guys, and I wish you a wonderful and great trading day. See you in the next video.